So for your peanut, the first thing you want to do is to add hot water to your groundnut that has been picked, and as soon as you pour in the water, sieve it out and dry it. So the next thing is to weigh out all your ingredients and measure them out. Measure out all your ingredients, add the corn flour to the water and stir very well until it's well mixed. Add the sugar, add the salt, mix it until the sugar dissolves. Add your flavor if you're using flavor. Add the flavor to it and mix it very well. Make sure it is well mixed. Okay, in another bowl, pour in the groundnuts that you've processed. Add a little of the liquid mixture. Stir in a circular motion rather, and then add some flour. Stir. Pour out and clean out the bowl. This will help you to reduce the moisture from sticking too much to the bowl. Okay, so pour back your groundnut. Add a little of the liquid mixture. Stir. Add a little of the flour and stir also. So you keep doing that until you've exhausted your liquid and dry mixture. So you do that until you get a very smooth coated, and then you fry on a low medium heat. Please, very important, fry on low medium heat so that it doesn't just get all brown quickly, whereas within it's not yet well cooked. So fry until you have a golden brown color, and this is your peanut burger. So enjoy. Thank you for watching. So try yours and let me see what you achieve. Thank you.